rocky land down to the underwater.
Good morning, everybody. So today is Monday, and I just worked out for an hour and 45 minutes, and now we're like just hanging out and getting ready to go to the park in a little bit. Hey guys, so I just did my boys' hair. They look so cute. Ah! I did Nathan's too, but he's upstairs playing a game. But yeah, look at my handsome boys. I cut their hair myself. So yeah. Nikki, you gonna show me how you used it?
Okay, so what I did was pretty much use these boats, go down here into the pit.
Wow.
And then, whee!
Cool.
Okay, and then there used to be a circle here around that we go on. Mike is on this side, I'm on that side.
All right.
We both go down and we clash into each other.
All right.
And then there's another one right here. Pretty much you go like this and go up there.
Woo.
That's pretty much it.
Fell in that hole.
That's pretty much it. That's how we use it. Very fun to use. We also use the bottom of these to shape it out. I use the bottom of it to shape it out. You got one more.
So it is so foggy, like you can't even see that end of the beach. Oh my gosh. It's crazy. Look at it. So foggy out here. Barely see anything.
Yeah, buddy.
Hey, buddy. So we are at the beach, and it feels amazing. I've already been in the water, and I saw a jellyfish in there, and I was like, yep, I'm out of here. But I'm definitely gonna be going back in. It's pretty hot, like the last hottest day we got. And my crew is right here. try this one?
No.
No?
This was hard work.
That was hard work? Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Well, plenty of sand, so we can build another one. Alright.
Yeah,
Alright,
it
alright.
was hard work.
I was just kidding, just kidding. I was wrong. You can't destroy it.
Yeah, because it's hard work. This is gonna be hard work.
It is.
We need cylinders. Right there. What? I'll be right back. This is not finished. Boston, I'm making a raceway for your race car.